Alright, what's up? Today I'm gonna be making a tutorial on how to wall run to show you that I can wall run, well, decently. Yeah, I can wall run decently, so wherever you want to start, the best way, I'm not saying to always start over here, you can start right there, over by those, back there, but I started over there, then went to there, then tried it on here. So the best way to do it is push yourself up, and you want to, once you hit the wall, you want to, so let me show you what that looks like. No, you don't have to do it fast. No, you don't have to do it fast, but and I know you, if you're playing on 60 hertz and you can't get it, I'm using 120 hertz, and I'm doing it perfectly fine. So yeah, again, I'm just gonna show you one more time. Like this. You try and pull yourself in, not just straight up. You try and pull yourself in as well. I know that may not be the best tips, but hey, there's so many tutorials, but they don't really teach you anything. So yeah, that is it. And I'd prefer to do this in a private code for you have Rock Monkey. So yeah, have a good day.